Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to have a look at a new project called as SafeRAG. Before we delve into this, let's have a quick look at what exactly is meant by RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG is a process framework or paradigm that combines the strength of LLMs with external knowledge sources. RAG integrates external knowledge into LLMs through a three-stage process. First comes the retriever, where it retrieves relevant texts or knowledge from external source based on the input query from the user. Then it filters out irrelevant or noisy text to ensure the quality of the retrieved knowledge, and then it synthesizes the filtered knowledge into a response using the LLM. RAG has been highly successful in solving knowledge intensive tasks, but it also introduces potential security risks as attackers can manipulate external knowledge to compromise the system. That is where we have this SafeRAG. SafeRAG is a benchmark which has been designed to evaluate the security of RAG systems. It focuses on identifying potential vulnerabilities in RAG systems that can be exploited by attackers. It introduces four new attack tasks that can bypass existing safety filters and compromise RAG systems. And on your screen, you can also see its comparison from rest of the lot, and you can easily see that not only in terms of attack type but also attack stage, evaluation and matrices, it goes a long way. So primarily it boils down to four components. First, it is silver noise. So silver noise means that partially relevant evidence that can circumvent safety filters and undermine RAG diversity. And then comes inter-context conflict. That means conflicting knowledge from the different sources that can mislead LLMs and compromise their responses. Then we have safety ad, that is a type of implicit toxicity that can evade LLMs and be inserted into their responses. And finally, there is white denial of service attack that can bypass filters and generators by falsely accusing evidence of containing distorted facts. So all in all, if you go through the paper, you will see a lot of good stuff scattered all around this paper. For example, here, this is what I was meant by that silver noise and white noise and all that stuff. If you look at this diagram, this tells you the process of generating attacking texts to meet the injection requirements for four attack services which we just discussed, like noise, conflict, toxicity and DOS. They have first collected a batch of news articles and constructed a comprehensive question context dataset as a basic dataset. Then they selected attack targeted text from the basic dataset for the generation of attacking texts. If you look here, this is another example of them using the four pillars which I have just discussed. And then there they have discussed some of the goals of conflicting attack, because if you look at this diagram, the goal of conflict attack is to generate target text that are prone to contradicting or being confused with the golden context. And to achieve this, they have manually selected a golden context most susceptible to manipulation into a conflict. Also, annotators are instructed to modify the context based on various guidelines, including minimal perturbation, rewriting for realistic conflicts, preservation of key facts, and there are a lot of other good stuff which you can find out in the paper. Very easy writing. That is a good thing about this. And then, as I said, they also have done some cumulative analysis of the generator, positive evaluation with various models. The models seem a bit old, but still not bad. Even DeepSeek is there. I don't think so. This is DeepSeek R1. Seems like the previous version. So if you're interested in implementing this benchmark on various tests, you would have to go to their GitHub repo, and from there, if you scroll down, you can just install, you can git clone this repo, you can install the requirement, you can start this open source Milvus server. I think this is being used as vector store, and then you can use this embedding model to start the benchmark just with this simple Python command. It is using OpenAI, so you would need to grab your platform API key from platform.openai.com, and that is a paid option. And since it's a benchmark, it could be slightly costly, but you would have to check it. Also, you can use DeepSeek API, and there are a few other options which you can check in their config.py file. So that's it. I just wanted to give you this quick introduction to this SafeRAG. If you are looking for some safety measures and to benchmark your RAG pipeline, this might be a good option to do so on your own custom set. Before I let you go, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description, so please do check them out. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.